Aging Well with Cannabis is a must-read book. If you or someone you love is over the age of 60 and curious about cannabis, this is the #1 book that I recommend. Hi, my name is Dr. Marion McNabb, and I'm a public health researcher, always looking for evidence-based resources, especially for older adults. Aging Well with Cannabis by Dr. Peter Grinspoon is one of the most balanced, medically grounded cannabis books I've ever read. It's especially valuable for aging adults that are navigating chronic pain, sleep issues, anxiety, polypharmacy, and medication interactions. Why does this matter? Well, older adults are one of the fastest growing groups using cannabis in the United States, but many didn't grow up with accurate information and are now trying to make informed decisions about their medical cannabis use, including what's safe, what dose do I use? Are there any drug-drug interactions? What are the long-term effects of medical cannabis use for my health conditions? Dr. Peter Grinspoon's book, Aging Well with Cannabis, helps bridge that gap with real clinical insight. Dr. Peter Grinspoon is a dear colleague and friend of mine and brings a unique perspective, not only as a physician, but someone with lived experience in addiction medicine and recovery. He's also the author of Free Refills, Seeing Through the Smoke, and his father originally wrote Marijuana Reconsidered, one of the earliest voices challenging cannabis prohibition, Dr. Lester Grinspoon. This legacy of science and advocacy really comes through in his work. What I really appreciate most about this book is that it's not one-sided. It clearly outlines the potential therapeutic uses of medical cannabis in senior populations, the known risks of medical cannabis use, and where the evidence is strong and where we still need more research. And that's exactly what we need in cannabis education today. So if you're an older adult or are caring for one and want an evidence-based guide to cannabis, Aging Well with Cannabis is a must-read. Again, I'm Dr. Marion McNabb, and follow along here on my education channel, Cannabis Citizen Science, for where we break down the evidence around medical cannabis use.